Good morning, children. Today in English literature, take out your English book and turn to page number 12. Page number 12, you have this exercise between the lines. The question is, what would you do for your friend? Discuss. Now, what are you going to do for your friend? Please discuss this with your parents. Okay, you do not have to write anything down. You just discuss. Say a sentence or two to your parents. Discuss. Listen to what your parents have to say about your idea of how you are going to help your friend. Your real exercise today is enjoying the poem. Now, when you enjoy the poem, how do you enjoy the poem? Use of repeated words. Some words in the poem are repeated, and in this way you are going to enjoy the poem. There are a few words or groups of words that are repeated in the poem. Poets often do this to draw your attention towards what they are trying to say. Now, children, in a poem, some words are repeated because the poet wants to say something to you. That is why they stress on that word. They bring that word again and again. Such words are called repeated words. Read these words. How many times are they repeated in the poem? The two words are wouldn't and another one, nobody's friend. There are two words, so this is a group of words. Nobody's friend. So in the poem Nobody's Friend, the words wouldn't and nobody's friend has been repeated. Now let us go back to page 11 and see how many times these words have been repeated. Now children, in the first verse, the word wouldn't has been repeated 1, 2, 3 times. Let us come down to verse 2. The word wouldn't is here. So the word wouldn't has been repeated 4 times. If you come down and look at the third verse, there is no wouldn't of here. The word has not been repeated of here. So the word wouldn't has been repeated 1, 2, 3 and 4 times in the poem. Now the next word, nobody's friend. A group of words, nobody's friend. You have one here in the first verse and you have another one in the second verse. In the third verse, there is no nobody's friend. So the word nobody's friend has been repeated in the first verse. It has been repeated in the second verse. So children, some words have been repeated in the poem. Such words are called repeated words. Now turn to page number 13 and let me read the question for you. Read this poem. Underline the words or groups of words that are repeated. Now once again, I repeat, you will read this poem and you are going to underline the words or groups of words that are repeated. The poem goes like this. Funny bunny goes hop, hop, hop. Funny bunny, please stop, stop, stop. Wiggle your ears and crinkle your nose. Then wiggle, 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 right down to your toes. Now in this poem, some of the words have been repeated again and again. Such words you are going to underline. Underline means draw a line below that word. funny here. Again, here you have funny. Okay, how many times? It has been repeated twice. Now find another word. Bunny. Underline bunny. You find another bunny and underline it. So there are many words in this poem which have been repeated. Please underline the words. This is your assignment for today.